So guys, let's review about this cryptocurrency exchange application. Its name is Abra. So go to your Play Store or Apple Store, and then search for Abra. Okay. So this is the one. So for this one, you can invest in top stocks or an ETF now in 150 countries, and then the minimum is $5 and $0 fees. I really like this application, so let me try to discuss to you and have some quick overview of what is Abra. Currently, it's only available in Philippines and then in US. So here are my assets. So right now the market is quite going low, decreasing, and then here you can buy stocks of Alibaba, Alphabet, Amazon, so Nike, Uber, Zoom, Tesla. You can also get some ETF share here. This one you can choose, and then some cryptocurrencies, and then fiat. This one. Right. Their application is quite nice. It's user friendly and very simple. So you can have wallet security. You need to verify your account first, and then they have the PIN, bank account, fees, contact. So in order for you to add money, you can do it using a crypto wallet, and then in crypto wallet they currently accept Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin transfer. You can also use your Visa card or MasterCard using a Simplex to buy Bitcoin, and then bank transfer to US and PH Bank only. And there is an additional way here if you're in Philippines. It's called Abra Teller. So you can go to any nearest Abra Teller, usually Tabunting, and then the fee is around 2%. To withdraw, you can send it via crypto wallet or bank transfer. And what I really love about this one is it's very easy to exchange. So let's say you want to exchange Dogecoin. So you just choose Dogecoin and then where you want it to move or to put. So let's say you wanted to exchange with Lisk. So you just need to put the amount of the Dogecoin, or you can get the maximum, and then we can review, and everything is so easy. Very user friendly. That's what I like about this application. And you can have your own stock, minimum of $5. Very nice application. You should try, and this is a legitimate application, so you don't need to worry. Alright, thank you for watching.